Switzerland. My profession was movie director, and yeah. Yes, I did learn something like this in India, like some sound healing, and it is something very specific what I have learned here. It is something which I had a very strong feeling since a long time to connect to this world, and I'm very happy to be able to be here. And it is more specific in one direction than overall. Yeah, my interest is for sure to be able to give this to other people in this world, to share what I have learned here, and yeah, to be able to make sound journeys with Gong. Yeah, it's a super nice book, which there has a lot of information which I can take home and read whenever it's needed. And yeah, I love that we have this kind of book and support. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. I mean, I'm so happy that I had the opportunity to find my Gong, or my Gong found me. I would say it's a reasonable price what you have. Like, it's a well-valued price. Yeah. Yes, I mean the 4-day Gong course. I've learned a lot. I've learned so much that I will have a lot of time for myself to implement it and transform it into experience. But I have the beautiful foundation now. Yeah, I could say absolutely 10, especially because I had a special treatment. I was alone in the course, so a private course is something special. Yeah, I feel like the teacher does it by heart, which is for me the most important thing. That's why I'm here. The experience with the vibration of gongs and how versatile they are, and yeah, to discover myself in this vibration. Yeah, I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity, especially that I had this super special opportunity that I can be alone in this course, and I had no idea that it will work. I just had a calling to come and connect to the gongs, and I followed my heart to be here, and I'm so grateful. Even my teacher was not in the fittest moment, and he still take the time for me and to yeah, be here for me and to teach me. That was I'm really, really surprised and happy for that. That in this hard moment he was there for me. Yeah, thank you.